Hey guys, today we'll do unboxing of WBC502 NETGEAR AirBridge. Let's take a look at it, the package. So this is how your gift box looks, and you'll see your MAC address and serial number printed on the white label. Let's open the box. So we have a readme first leaflet which talks about downloading NETGEAR Insight app and registering your product, and that comes with different languages. And we have a compliance leaflet mentioned in different languages. Then we have our main unit, wireless AirBridge. We will talk about it later more. Then we have few leaflets. First one is about download center link. And then we have some installation guides in different languages. Then we have device safety information booklet and adhesive label that will help in wall mounting the AirBridge. We have power adapter that is used to turn on your AirBridge over PoE. We will talk about it more later. We have a power cord. We got pole mounting strap and wall mounting screws to install the AirBridge in outdoors. So this is a proprietary PoE injector adapter to turn on the device, right? And you need to plug in here. And this goes to the socket. So if you look at it, so there are two ports. This is a PoE port to turn on the device. This is a LAN port to make connections from your network, and there is a reset pin as well. You can very well install with both the screws, right? So this is the main unit, the AirBridge. You can extend your network by mile by installing two AirBridge units outdoors with line of sight between them. So there are two screws for wall mount, and then you can put a bracket here. You will see here device information like serial number, MAC address, QR code, default network name, right, etc. And then there is a latch here. See, so this is a LAN PoE port to turn on the device. Then there is a LAN port to extend your network, and there is a reset pin as well. The power adapter is connected to the mains. Let's turn on the AirBridge. I'm connecting to the PoE port, and then PoE port on the AirBridge. Meanwhile, let me connect the AirBridge to my network. I have a Ethernet cable coming from my switch. I'll plug into the LAN port of the power adapter. So this power adapter is an indoor unit, must be installed indoors. So the AirBridge is booting up. It will take a couple of minutes to turn on, and then it will connect to your network. So let me do a fast forward in the interest of time. So now you see LAN LED is turned on, which indicates it is connected to your network. So DHCP client is running by default. So AirBridge must have got the IP address from your network. The AirBridge can be configured in inside mode or standalone mode. So please check NETGEAR website for more details, and also you can check my videos for further details. Thanks guys for watching.